Day 20. Officially 5 more days till Christmas. I can't believe it. We're so close. Alright, I need to get the day started. Not sure what we're gonna do yet, but I'm gonna try to fully wake up and figure it out. I'm about to watch Stephanie Harlow's new video. Work on my little vision board journal. I found my I Love Lucy notebook downstairs last night, so I'm gonna use that. Got my stickers and everything ready to go. I am quite literally wearing an old man sweater right now. It's hard to really see it, but it was my grandpa's. It's so comfy and warm. I got a little chilly, so making Alden some lunch right now, and then going from there. Trying to plan out some videos for the new year. I'll be back. Okay, so I don't have any before pictures of my record box, but it was like a bright teal with neon yellowy green golf flags all over it, and I hated it. So I painted the whole thing black. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm working on. Alright, so I didn't really hate the colors that this originally was, but I hated the pattern on it, so I just painted it black, and I love it so much more. Now you can see, you know, a little bit of like those are the golf flags, and then it was a teal green. It's pretty colors. I just didn't want golf flags all over my record player. Only the best. We already ate everything. But it's so good. Am I right?
Yeah, and the soul, like the cinnamon roll, that's so good.
Yeah, it also came with these delicious cinnamon bites.
It tastes like cinnamon roll.
Cinnamon rolls, kinda. Alright, I did run to Dollar Tree today, so I'll show you my tiny haul. It really is tiny. I picked up these 2 glasses. I thought they were really cute, and they would be good for drinking my iced coffee in, or juice, or whatever. So I got those. I thought this was really cute. I think it'd be cuter if I redid it, but it was still really cute. And they're taking all their Christmas stuff like out already, so I wanted to grab it while they still had it. I grabbed a new nail buffer. I'm gonna turn, there we go. That way you could see it a little bit better. I grabbed one of these shampoo bars because I'm curious. They didn't really have what I went for because I went to the little one by my house, so I grabbed these for my mom, maybe for her stocking. And then these I saw by the checkout, so I grabbed them for my fiance. He's gonna have so much candy in his stocking. And I just grabbed a light bulb. And this nail polish. There's no shade name, but I thought it was really pretty. And then that aftershave stuff that I got by this Cold Dapper, they have an actual hand cream as well with that sandalwood scent. So I grabbed that because I do really like that scent. And that's it. I did actually grab Alden this really cool shark stocking because it was just too cool to not get. But I hung it out in the living room already, so I will show you guys that in a little while. But yeah, super duper small haul for today, but I really like these. I like the size of them, and then there's like these little indents on all the sides, if you can kind of see that. So you could like really grab the glass right there. So yeah, I'm happy with it, even though it was a little bitty haul. I love the background of this, but I feel like, I don't know, I don't want to ruin it, but we could like scrape off all of this and just make it look a little bit cuter. But I'm not going to do that this year because we're already 5 days till Christmas. So I was trying to get more stuff for my like gift baskets that I'm trying to do for a bunch of different people. My cousin, my sister, my friend Brianna, my best friend Lindsay, and my mom. Well, at least I got like one thing from my mom. They literally had nothing. This I might put in one of their little gift baskets though, because I don't know if I would use it. But I wanted to get like some face masks and stuff like that, but the one I went to, they just have a terrible selection, so. But this, I mean, I have one, but I wanted to get a new one for when I try doing my nails. I just wanted to have another light bulb on hand. I think this is so pretty. It's not really coming off on camera what the color really is. It's almost washed out. It's a little bit darker in person. Yeah, tiny haul. Alright, me and Alden are finally going to start on the Oreo balls and maybe one of the cookie recipes. And then he also wants to make brownies. So we'll see what all we get done. But I'm determined to get these Oreo balls made. Here are the Oreo balls. We didn't make very many of them. I just did half a package of Oreos and half a block of cream cheese instead of the whole package and the whole block of cream cheese because I didn't know who all was going to actually eat these. I had a feeling I might be the only one snacking on them, so I didn't want to make too many. But, I mean, anybody is welcome to try them. I think they turned out pretty good. Some of the Oreos didn't get crushed quite as much as they needed to be, but that's okay. They taste really, really good. And of course, I had to decorate them with pretty sprinkles. So I am glad that we got this done. Once again, we were going to do gingerbread cookies, but then Alden got tired and went to lay down, and he's asleep. So I will do those another day, hopefully tomorrow. Okay, so it is technically the 21st. I am getting my day 20 uploaded shortly, but I forgot to make an ending, so that is the end of Vlogmas Day 20. We did finally get the Oreo balls made, and I had a pretty small Dollar Tree haul. So, yeah, I'm just gonna end that there. That way I can finish up my day 21 vlog, and I'll be back tomorrow for day 22.